y'all what's going on. Today is Wednesday. Got the car on. I know I haven't been vlogging much. There hasn't really been much to vlog. Yeah, I don't know. Vlogging's been like, I don't know. It's been okay. Vlogging has been okay. It hasn't been too crazy. So, but yeah, I'm gonna head to this meet. It's like in a cabin, I believe. A couple cars come on and stuff like that. So, I'm gonna head to that. See what it's about. I hope it ends. It started at 5. I hope it ends. That's coming right up. I just got on my ass. Thank you. You turn it on and you park it. You got a GoPro, right? Huh? You got a GoPro? Nah. I just put my camera up top.
And if you leave a GoPro and come to park it, you know.
Yeah, I had a GoPro, but then it got fucked up on some stupid shit.
Because right here you don't see cars like that. That people put money into.
Yeah, that's what everybody keeps telling me.
If you just come here and put a GoPro on and leave it on the whole person, you're gonna look back at the recording, you're gonna be laughing your ass off. Cause you know you got.
I gotta get one anyway, cause I wanna put one on the top just for like when I'm doing POV. So I gotta use this all the time.
That's just a stock motor, no turbo. Yeah.
And then he had one person say, "No, that's my car." Yeah, that's crazy.
Yo, Good, bro. How you doing?
Gene was supposed to come with me. I don't know what the fuck
Yeah?
nigga at. Yeah.
Nah, it's full interior.
Full
Nah, I
interior,
would never.
like 20.
I would never get this car. This is my baby, right? It's a street car.
Like 26, 27.
Yeah.
That's the daily.
I just want to leave it at that. I just want to leave it full weight, take it to the track this summer, see what it does.
So
All
is
of
the
the day.
GSR training that come out of Integra? Like
Yeah.
The GSR Integra
Yeah.
from the factory?
Yep. Those things are like dinosaurs to find out.
Really? Shit.
I bought it. It came with like mess up synchros,
You got LSD?
sliders. Yeah, of
What
course.
LSD? What?
M Factory.
M Factory?
Yeah. This thing came off my. I'm running the boostable ring, the GTX 3582R.
eBay one?
Yeah. Shit is great, bro. My boy had one for like 5 years, making like 7, and it's great.
38 millimeter?
Nah, the 44. Yeah, I came up on the deal with the wastegate. On the wastegate, the blower valve, I got them all together for 450, brand new. With the boost controller.
Are you boosted by gear?
Yeah, hell yeah. Always boost by gear. People just be bugging out. They be making like 500 on like 28 pounds, but they get like 25 pounds in every gear. That shit is terrible, bro. It might sound nice and sound like it's
gonna break soon.
And you ain't getting no traction. This shit right here, bro, is just grip and go, grip and go, grip and go. So like first gear, I'm like at 11 pounds. Second gear, I'm at like, I think I'm at like 14. Third, I'm at like 17. And then at fourth, I think I'm like 22 around it, 22, 23. But it just hooks and hooks and hooks. And it just keeps like it'll spin second and it'll spin. But then like when I go to third, it'll like grip. And then it just like lets loose, and then you gotta like hold on, and then fourth is just like grip all the way. But once you get to like the top of third though, it's just that's when it's just.
What fuel pump you running?
525 Hellcat. Yeah. Just got out here a couple cars. It's not bad. Everyone showing love to the Civic, which is great. I haven't even got a chance to walk around, but I'll walk around a little bit. Got some cars right there. Civic. Another Civic over there. Pretty good.
Purple blow-off valve and wastegate too.
Yeah.
But you can't fucking see it. Because
you got it on the bottom?
Because the way the K has it, it's tucked.
Oh, yeah.
But
Well, no, you can see it. I mean, if you gotta just put it with the piping on the top, you can just put it on the top.
There's not a lot of room. Like it's kind
Well,
of.
you got a back door. Or you got a sidewinder.
Sidewinder. Yeah. Dude, I love that. The cold side with the purple.
Oh yeah, appreciate it. Thank you.
I was like, I'm not even joking. This was literally my idea. That's why I bought the purple. I was like, yo, I want a purple valve cover. I want my cold side purple and maybe my charge pipes and everything. Cause I got aluminum and I don't know. That might be too much purple. Like
sometimes, yeah. If you do, yeah, it has to be like a.
That's what you said to me.
On and off.
No, dude, I can't.
Alright guys, heading home. Really didn't get to record much because everybody was surprised that I moved out here. We're just talking with everyone in general, so. But definitely gonna be coming down here next week or whatever, so I'm gonna head back home. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna get into after this though. Want to take a second. Pulled over in the middle of like literally nowhere, but this is like how amazing this is. This is just amazing. That's why I moved out here. Got the Civic here. I'm gonna try to take a picture real quick of the Civic. Yeah. I know you guys like missed the contents. I know people have been telling me so, but just hasn't really been much to do out here. I had to do obviously like suspension work, stuff like that, but as of like car events and stuff like that, there hasn't really been much. A lot of stuff is coming up now, so definitely gonna be trying to do more content stuff, going to more events and stuff like that too, like races and stuff. So definitely looking forward to it. I'm trying to bring more content, you know. I've been streaming. I'm on Kick. If you guys could please follow me on Kick at Steven Ocasio, same as my Instagram, YouTube, Instagram. I'm trying to get affiliate. I'm literally trying to game, you know, and do YouTube content, stuff like that. But yeah, look at this view. See if I have some pictures real quick. So peaceful here, man. Literally, I don't even know where I'm at. I know there's like a mansion back there. Just pulled over, man. Literally just take it all in, you know? Sometimes you just gotta sit back, take it all in. You know? Grateful to be here. YouTube content hasn't really been the same. I said I know that. Just hasn't been a lot going on, and I don't know. Kind of been trying to figure out what to do. But there's a lot of stuff going on, summertime now, so they just told me there's like some more racing events is coming, some stuff called Battle of the Border with like Buffalo and stuff like that. But also, like I said, you know, you guys don't know, bro, I'm a gamer. I play Warzone. I'm an absolute beast at that shit. I have like literally almost a 3KD in Warzone. And I stream, you know. I've been streaming now on Kick because I know they're going to start doing applications on Kick to be a full-time streamer and get paid and stuff like that. So this is basically where I'm heading. So if you guys could literally please just, I'll put it here, kick.com/Steven Ocasio on Kick. Just make an account. Just follow me. You don't even have to just all I'm asking is for a follow, please. Once I get 75 followers, I'll be able to get affiliate and stuff. So come on, guys.